So hi everyone, it's me again, Jeansy Veral and Luna, and welcome to our channel. So for today's video, I will show to you how I made this beautiful belt. This belt. So to start, let us make a slip knot and then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let us make a 5 loop or puff crochet on in our 4th chain from the hook. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then here 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then yarn over and pull it through until you will have 2 loops left. And then yarn over, pull it through, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Flip your work, and let us make another puff on this chain space right here. So yarn over, pull it through, yarn over again, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, and lastly yarn over and pull it through. Again, yarn over and then pull it through and stop until you have 2 loops left. Yarn over and pull it through and then chain 3. So this is a very easy procedure or tutorial, so you can really practice this as many as you want. And if you're a beginner also, you can really make this one as fast as you can also. So again, yarn over, pull it through, 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 and lastly yarn over and pull it through. There. Can you see the difference? 1, 2, 3. Flip your work. Let's make another puff 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over and pull it through. Stop when you have 2 loop left, and then yarn over and pull it through, and then chain 3. There. So you can use this one as a strap, or you can use this one as a handle of a purse, or you can use this one also as a belt. This is how it will look like after you finished all of your rows. So we already finished another tutorial, and I'm hoping that this simple tutorial will help you with your future projects. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to share this to your friends and to your family, please do. It will really help me a lot. So yes, stay tuned for my next tutorial. Bye bye. Love, love.